Hey everybody, it's Jason again, back on my tailgate. So you want to go mobile. That's great, that's exciting, that's good work to do. You can make a lot of money and really get your name out there. There are many videos out there. Melted Metal Anthony's got a really good one that talks about the essential tools that you need to have. And those are great. I want to pass on a piece of advice that was given to me, and it really made a lot of sense. So I've got this big shop, and I've got all my welders. I've got MIG welders, TIG welders, flux core welders, torches. I mean, you name it. I've got all the tools and toys. But what this person told me is practice being a mobile welder. What? Practice being a mobile welder. What does that mean? What that means is, even though you've got all these other machines and you got your MIGs and your TIGs and all that kind of stuff, when a job comes in, practice working only stick. Only doing stick. And then, even though you've got a shop, or you've got a workshop at your house, or you got a garage that you work out of, whatever, park your truck outside and work from the truck. So I'm working on this dumpster right outside, and what I like to do is pull my truck outside, fire up the Vulcan 195, and just concentrate on doing your job from your truck. If I have to go back into the shop to grab some tools, whether it's a wrench, extension cord, angle grinder discs, whatever, at the end of the day, when you're packing everything up, put it in your truck. That way you'll know that you've got the materials, you've got the tools, everything that you need to work on site without having to say, oh man, I wish I had brought this, or I wish I had brought that. So practice working out of your truck, and it's going to make you a better mobile welder. Trust me. Have a good day. And look, it's the end of the day. I'm dirty. Let's get cleaned up, get some food, get some rest, because tomorrow's another day. See you later.